Dear students of class 9B, we are solving chapter 5 simultaneous linear equations of two variables, exercise 5.1, question number 4C. Simultaneous equations are 3 by 2x plus 2 by 3y equal to 5 and 5 by x minus 3 by y equal to 1. Here we are seeing that these variables are as denominators. If we separate it from here, we are getting 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by x and 1 by y. So for that I considered let 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b. Then the equation became 3 by 2a plus 2 by 3b equal to 5. And these are in the fractional forms, coefficients are in the fractional forms. So I took the LCM of 2 and 3, it became 6. 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9a plus 3 2 is 6, 2 2 is 4b equal to 5. 9a plus 4b equal to 6, 5 is 30 by cross multiplication. I considered equation number 1. And equation number 2 is 5a, 1 by a is a, so 5a minus 3b equal to 1, equation number 2. Now we have to equate the coefficient of any variable in both the equations. For that I have selected variable b. Here is 4b and here is 3b. To make the coefficient equal, we multiplied equation number 1 by 3 and equation number 2 by 4, and we get 3 9 is 27a plus 3 4 is 12b equal to 3 into 30 90. Equation number 2 is multiplied by 4, so 4 into 5a 20a minus 4 into 3b 12b and 4 into a equal to 4. So these coefficients are equal and both have the opposite signs. So plus minus, plus 12b minus 12b cancelled. Now these two are added, 27a plus 20a equal to 47a, and the sum of these two became 94. 47 2 is 94, therefore a equal to 2. We have considered 1 by x be a, so a equal to 1 by x equal to 2, or we say x equal to 1 by 2. The value of x, if it will go up, means we write the reciprocal of this, then x will go up. So for that we write the reciprocal of 2, that will be equal to 1 by 2. Now I kept this value in equation number 2, that is 5a. So 5 into 2, the value of a is 2, minus 3b equal to 1. 5 into 2 equal to 10 minus 3b equal to 1. 3b equal to 10 minus 1 by the rule of transposition. 3b equal to 9, 3 3 is 9 cancelled, b equal to 3, 1 by y equal to 3, or y equal to 1 by 3. In this way we get the values of x and y, 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. These are the answers. Question number 4e. Simultaneous equations are y minus x equal to 0.8 and 13 by 2 into x plus y equal to 1. So I followed this equation to change in the form of simultaneous linear equations of two variables. For that I have done cross multiplication. 2 into x plus y equal to 1, 2 into x plus y into 1 equal to 2 into x plus y, 13 into 1 equal to 13. These two terms are multiplied by 2, so we get 2x plus 2y equal to 13. As it is written here, y is written at first, so I wrote this y at first. 2y plus 2x equal to 13. Now both the equations are in the same form, so I considered equation number 1 and equation number 2. Now we will choose any equation to make the coefficient equal of that variable. Now I have selected the variable of which we will make the coefficients equal, that is x. If you multiply equation number 1 by 2, then here we will get 2x, and here already we have 2x, so no need to multiply equation number 2 by any number. So from 1 and 2 as I have multiplied this equation number 1 by 2, so 2 into y, 2y, minus 2 into x, 2x, equal to 0.8 into 2 equal to 1.6. And this equation I have written as it is, 2y plus 2x equal to 13. These two coefficients of x are equal and both have the opposite sign. One has minus, another has plus. So minus plus will be cancelled. These two will be added, 2 plus 2, 4y, and these two are also added, that become 14.6. So y equal to, I divided 14.6 by 4 and I got y equal to 3.65. Now I kept this value in equation number 1, y equal to 3.65. So equation became 3.65 minus x equal to 0.8. And by the rule of transposition, minus x will go that side it will be plus, and 0.8 will come this side will be 3.65 minus 0.80. Here, since here are two decimal places, so I also made two decimal places keeping one 0 with 8. We subtracted these two and I got the value of x equal to 2.85. So the values of x and y became 2.85 and 3.65 respectively. Those are the answers. Question number 4G. Simultaneous linear equations are x plus y by xy equal to 2 and another is x minus y by xy equal to 6. This is not in the form of linear equations. So for that I have separated these two terms dividing by xy. We can write this expression as x by xy plus y by xy equal to 2. So this x and this x cancelled, 1 by y equal to 1 by x, that is equal to 2, equation number 1. Now I have used the another equation, that is x minus y by xy equal to 6. In this equation also I have separated these two terms with xy. So it will be x by xy minus y by xy equal to 6. X cancelled, 1 by y minus y cancelled, 1 by x equal to 6. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. These variables are in the fractional form. So for that, to make it in the linear form, I have considered 1 by x be a and 1 by y be b. Then these two equations will be b plus a equal to 2, and this equation will be b minus a equal to 6. Adding these two equations, because already we have the opposite signs of variable a, so after adding these two equations we can cancel this, plus minus cancelled, b plus b equal to 2b, 6 plus 2 8, so b equal to 2 4 ja 8, b equal to 4, and we have considered b equal to 1 by a, 1 by y equal to 4. So to get the value of y, we will write the reciprocal of this, then y will go up. Similarly, we will write the reciprocal this side also. Reciprocal of 4 will be 1 by 4. Reciprocal of this became y, and reciprocal of 4 became 1 by 4. So the value of y equal to 1 by 4. Now I kept the value of this b equal to 4 in above equation. Any equation we can use, I have used this upper one. B plus a equal to 2, so 4 plus a equal to 2, a equal to 2 minus 4 by transposition, so a equal to minus 2. A we have considered 1 by x, so 1 by x equal to minus 2. To get x, we will write the reciprocal of this, then x will go up, then we will write the reciprocal of minus 2 also, that will be minus 1 by 2, so x equal to minus 1 by 2. So the values of x and y became x equal to minus 1 by 2 and y equal to 1 by 4. These are the answers. Question number 4I. These two equations are 6 by x plus y equal to 7 by x minus y plus 3. And another is 1 by 2 into x plus y equal to 1 by 3 into xy minus y. Here we are seeing that x plus y and x minus y, these variables are in the form of denominators. For that I have considered, let 1 by x plus y be a and x minus y be b. Then these two equations will be 6a equal to 7b plus 3, or we can write 6a minus 7b. 7b will come this side, after coming this side it will be minus 6a minus 7b equal to 3. This is equation number 1. Now from equation number 2, this will be 1 by 2a, because 1 by x plus y we have considered a, so 1 by 2a equal to 1 by 3b. If you do cross multiplication, 3 will be multiplied by a, so 3a equal to b will be multiplied by 2, so 2b. 3a equal to 2b, or we can say 3a minus 2b equal to 0, because this 2b will come this side, then sign will be minus. Now these two equations are equation number 1 and equation number 2. We will equate the coefficient of a. Here is 6a and here is 3a. I have selected, you can equate the coefficient of b also, no problem, but I have selected to equate the coefficients of a. Here is 6a, here is 3a, so we will multiply this equation by 2. Then from 1 and 2, this equation will be written as it is. So for that I have written 6a minus 7b equal to 3, and equation number 2 is multiplied by 2, so 2 into 3a equal to 6a minus 2 into 2b equal to 4b, 2 into 0 equal to 0. These coefficients are equal but the sign has the same. Here is also plus, here is plus, and here is also plus. We can't cancel it, so to write the opposite sign of this variable 6 of this term 6a, will subtract the lower equation from the upper equation. Then plus will be minus and minus will be plus. Here is plus, this will be minus. Now this plus minus, plus 6a minus 6a cancelled. Minus 7b plus 4b, that lower sign will be considered. Minus 7b plus 4b equal to minus 3b. 3 minus 0 equal to 3. 3 cancelled, so minus b equal to 1 or b equal to minus 1. As we have considered b equal to 1 by minus xy, so I wrote at this place 1 by x minus y equal to minus 1. If we write the reciprocal of this, then x minus y will go at the place of numerator. Then x minus y reciprocal of minus 1 will be minus 1 only. This became equation number 3. Now I kept the value of b in equation number 1. The value of b is minus 1. I kept in equation number 1. So from 1 we get 6a minus 7 into minus 1, because here is b and the value of b is minus 1. So at the place of b I have kept minus 1. 6a minus 7 into minus 1 equal to 3. 6a, this minus and minus plus 7 equal to 3. So 6a equal to 3 minus 7, plus 7 will go that side, after going that side it will be minus 7. So 6a equal to minus 4, 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6, a equal to minus 2 by 3. A is 1 by x plus y equal to minus 2 by 3. To get x plus y, we will write the reciprocal of this. Then we have to write reciprocal of this side also. If we write the reciprocal of this, we get x plus y by 1 means x plus y. And reciprocal of this side will be minus 3 by 2. Now this equation became 4. 3 and 4 will solve for the values of x and y. So from 3 and 4, x minus y equal to minus 1 and x plus y equal to minus 3 by 2. Clearly here the sign of y is opposite. Here is minus, here is plus. Both will be cancelled. X plus x, 2x, and these two. Minus 1, minus 3 by 2, minus 5 by 2. X equal to minus 5 by 2, and again this will be divided by 2, so minus 5 by 4. Now I kept this value in equation number 3, x minus y equal to 1. At the place of x I kept minus 5 by 4 minus y equal to minus 1. I calculated it, y equal to this minus y will go that side and minus 1 will come this side. So y equal to minus 5 by 4 plus 1. I calculated and I got the value of y equal to minus 1 by 4. Therefore, the values of x and y became x equal to minus 5 by 4 and y equal to minus 1 by 4. These are the answers.